We are pleased to present to you the P-Falcon 640 and 384 thermal devices. These things are brand new, just got them in, and let's take a look at them. Here we got the carrying case and the helmet mount. Here it is right here. It's got a pretty, it's pretty bulky, but it has a pretty wide range of ability to adjust it to the left, to the right eye or to the left eye. Now when we open up the carrying case, when you receive your device, this is how you're gonna receive it. You have the thermal device right here. You have your charging station, your Minirail adapter, and this side pocket here that stores all the stuff. We have a microfiber cloth. We have a extra cap if you want to use it with one of the other batteries. I will go over that later. Charging cable. Your toolkit for your two different adapters and extra screws for each one. They are different, so just be aware of that. Video cables. And your wall charger. Although this is a US wall charger, so be aware of that. And under where the device sat, we have our weapons rail mount. Goes right on Picatinny rail. And we have our eye cup for when you want to use it in helmet mounted mode. So today is actually the first day that I've also seen this device, so we'll be going through it together. From the little small pieces to the big pieces. So like I said, we have this cap, and apparently you can use it with two different kinds of batteries. You would just switch out the battery cap on the device with this one, depending on which batteries you have. This is your eye cup. This one goes directly onto your eye if you want to use it in helmet mounted mode. You can take off this rubber eye cup and attach this one depending on your various needs. Here we got your normal Picatinny rail mount. What you would do, I guess, is you would mount this directly on here. One way or the other one. I think probably this way. So you put the rail mount on like this and screw it down with the tools attached. Put the screws down there and tighten it up with the toolkit. So with this device, they've included a battery charging station where you can charge a bunch of different sizes of batteries, which is pretty cool. And it's got the regular mini USB port that goes right here. So you can charge it into the wall. Probably not this unless you're from the United States, and then you can use that microfiber cloth for cleaning the device and the lenses. Your Minirail adapter. We have the Minirail adapter if you want to use it with the helmet mounted system. Goes right there. You loosen up the screw. Minirail like that and tighten it back up. All right, so, and here we have the both the 640 and the 384. As you can tell, they look quite different. No, not at all. Actually, pretty much the only difference between them is the internals. So we're gonna go over some of the specs and the features of each one. I'm just gonna show you on the 640 right now. So the 640, you have human recognition up to 600 meters. You can recognize a vehicle from about 1,070 meters. Your field of view is 17.2 by 13.7, and your battery life is 3 hours. All right, here we have the 384. Some of the features of it is you can recognize a human at 420 meters, and you can recognize a vehicle at 700 meters. Field of view is 14.9 degrees by 11.12, and the battery life on this one is an astounding 6 hours. On both devices, we have quite a few similarities. The display is at 1024 by 768. There are 4 modes: white hot, black hot, red hot, and color. You can use 2 different kinds of batteries, the 18650 batteries and the 18700 batteries. Like I said, you can change out the caps on that to fit the battery that you'll be utilizing. Both of them feature frame rates of 50 Hertz, and both of them have IP ratings of 67. Now for dust and debris, that's the highest rating that's given, and the 7 means that you can submerge it in 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. So that's the second highest rating. There is an 8, which you can be more submersed. Both are able to be mounted to a Picatinny rail or a helmet mount. That is the P-Falcon 640 and 384. These ones are actually rated for up to 762 recoil proof, and truthfully, I'm probably gonna get one of these myself. This is pretty much a game changer in the world of sporting, hunting, and military usage. This thing's tough, it's small, pretty much everything you could want in a device that you're gonna go take outdoors and go get dirty with.
you.